Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best bar rags is probably one of the most underrated tools in any kitchen. From wiping up spills to drying dishes, these humble cloths are the workhorses of a clean and efficient cooking space. But with so many options available, choosing the right bar rags can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive into the world of bar rags, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Utopia Kitchen Bar Mops, 12-pack, 16 by 19-inch cotton towels. These are a pack of 12 highly absorbent kitchen bar mop towels. They are made of the highest grade cotton. Each towel measures 16 by 19 inches. These bar mops are made with premium quality 100% ring-spun cotton. This makes them both elegant and functional. You'll love how they feel. The kitchen towels are designed to give a luxurious experience. They ideally fulfill needs in general cleaning or washing. It's perfect for any kitchen. Machine wash these bar mops separately in warm water with a light detergent. Tumble dry on a low to medium heat setting. It's simple to keep them clean. To prevent color discoloration, avoid applying cosmetics or scrubs directly to the towel. This will help them last longer and stay looking their best. What we like. These towels are made with premium, super absorbent cotton, perfect for tackling any kitchen mess. They are designed to give a luxurious feel while being highly functional. If you're looking for a reliable and elegant solution for spills and general cleaning, you should consider these. What people say. They are great for washing and drying dishes. They are absorbent and stand up to many washings. They are super absorbent and a cleaning must-have. Number 4. Infinitee Xclusives Cotton Kitchen Towels. These kitchen towels are made of 100% pure natural ring-spun cotton. They are incredibly soft and absorbent, perfect for drying dishes and hands. Each towel measures 15 by 25 inches, and the set includes 6 towels. The Dobby weave gives them an ultra-soft feel and excellent absorbency. These towels maintain their premium feel even after many washes, reducing the need for paper towels. This makes them a great choice for the environment. You get a 6-pack of these kitchen towels, offering excellent value. They are perfect for all your kitchen and household cleaning needs. These kitchen towels are machine washable and can be tumble dried on low heat. It's recommended that you wash them before the first use for optimal performance. What we like. These kitchen towels are made from 100% ring-spun cotton, offering an incredibly soft feel and superior absorbency. They are designed to last, reducing your need for paper towels. If you are looking for a soft and absorbent towel that is also environmentally friendly, you should consider them. What people say. These are great for cleaning up spills. They are absorbent and easy to wash. The size is perfect for kitchen use. Number 3. Simpli-Magic 12x12 Terry Towel Cleaning Cloths. These are Simpli-Magic Terry Towel Cleaning Cloths. This bulk pack comes with 50 towels, perfect for various uses. They are ideal for both commercial and home environments. Made from 100% looped terry cotton, it offers superior strength and absorbency. It's designed to be soft enough for facial use, yet strong enough for general cleaning tasks. These towels are a great solution for restaurants, hotels, bars, homes, and offices. The universal fit makes them suitable for a wide range of applications. Each towel measures 12x12, providing ample surface area for cleaning. Its size is convenient for various cleaning tasks. These cloths are machine washable and can be tumble dried on low. This makes the product easy to maintain and reuse. What we like. This bulk pack of terry towels is ideal for various uses, from commercial businesses to home kitchens. They are made of 100% looped terry cotton for strength and fast drying. If you need a large quantity of versatile and durable cleaning cloths, you should consider this. What people say. These are great for cleaning up spills. They are absorbent and wash up nicely. They are a good size and work well. Number 2. 20-pack washable kitchen towels, 100% organic cotton. Looking for an eco-friendly choice? These reusable paper towels are a fantastic alternative to traditional ones. Made from organic cotton, they help reduce waste and promote sustainability. These cloth napkins offer amazing absorbency for all your kitchen needs. They're perfect for spills, messes, and everyday cleaning. Plus, they work great as bar towels, and are gentle on all surfaces. Experience the luxurious softness of organic cotton. Unlike disposable paper, these washable towels are gentle and won't scratch surfaces. They're also great as reusable bathroom hand towels, soft to the touch. Cleaning is a breeze with these machine-washable kitchen towels. Just toss them in the laundry after use. They are the ideal bathroom stuff, ready for their next cleaning adventure. These towels are your all-in-one kitchen accessories. They're perfect for everything from absorbing spills to wiping down surfaces in the bathroom and dusting throughout the home. They are very versatile. What we like. These reusable paper towels are an eco-friendly alternative to traditional paper towels, made from organic cotton. They provide superior absorbency for all your cleaning needs. If you like reducing waste and promoting sustainability, you should consider these. What people say. Excellent absorption. The waffle weave has the perfect level of scrubbing action without being abrasive. They are relatively thin but very dense and strong and sturdy, and the texture makes them a bit thicker. They take up liquids immediately, unlike microfiber towels, and these hold a good amount of liquid too. They are absorbent and dry quickly. Number 1. Aunti's Kitchen Flour Sack Towels, 13-pack. These dish towels are made with a tighter weave, resulting in a softer texture and brighter finish. They are designed to be highly absorbent and durable, making them perfect for everyday use in the kitchen. Made from 100% all-natural ring-spun cotton, these towels offer unbeatable reusability. They are perfect for wiping and toweling just about everything in your kitchen, providing a sustainable alternative to paper towels. The tightly woven fabric allows needles to thread through easily, making it ideal for embroidery projects. It retains its shape while allowing for detailed designs, perfect for crafting. Each towel is hemmed on all 4 sides, preventing loose threads. It offers a large surface area for drying numerous kitchenware items, ensuring efficient cleaning. These versatile towels can be used for various purposes, including cleaning glass and cars. They also serve as a blank canvas for art, vinyl printing, and other crafting projects, offering endless possibilities. What we like. These flour sack dish towels are made from natural cotton and are perfect for drying glass, hands, and dinnerware. The tightly woven fabric is perfect for embroidery projects. If you are looking for a highly absorbent and versatile towel for both kitchen use and crafts, you should consider them. What people say. These are absorbent and work well. They wash up nicely and are holding up well. They are a nice size and not too thick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.